2 soda breaks. See if we can get us a chase finally. I haven't gotten none out of all 6 of these so far. So let's hope for the best, right? Anyways, we're going to go with the Vampire Jack soda. Still sealed. Everything is good to go there. Put this in the garbage can. So Vampire Jack soda. Well, sometimes these cans, man, they're on there, boy. We'll give it a lucky shake for 3. Well, just the regular Vampire Jack. 1 out of 2,500. Am I ever going to get me a chase? I'll just throw that away. I got lots of sodas for sale. Anybody want to hit me up? I have just about everybody you can think of. Listen, my hat's nice on, straight on here. Next one is Pennywise. Still sealed. Yes, sir. Let's get this tape on here. Alright. So we got here a Pennywise funko soda. We're going to try and open it. Hopefully we can get us a chase. Oh, please, to the soda funko gods, make this work. Here we go. Lucky 3 count. 1, 2, 3. Boom! Chase, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Oh yeah, right there. It's about time I opened like 20 sodas. They got me a Pennywise Funko Soda Chase. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. Yeah, he has the variant will have the hair going over the body itself. So there it is, the Pennywise Chase Funko Soda. About time. We'll just put him over here. We'll deal with him later. Can't believe that. It's so awesome, right? Because it's so frustrating opening. I mean, I got tons of them. You know, no chases. Oogie Boogie, Beetlejuice, Harley Quinn, Man at Arms, Vampire Jack, Sonic the Hedgehog. You name it. I haven't got nothing. So feeling pretty happy right now, you know. Now, this is a company called Toy USA. I think I paid $14.99 a piece for these. So let's get this box opened. We'll do it from right here. We get the trusty knife out. Gotta make sure that I'm not looking in here because I don't know what is what. Let me feel. No hearts, no stack, no protector. No protector. Oh, we got our protector. Usually from videos that I've watched, that when one has a protector on it, and the rest are not protected. They're kind of junky, but we'll see. So let's pull out this first one. What do we get? Stanley Guardians of the Galaxy. Not bad, not bad. What do we get here? Let's see the front. What do we get? The Green Arrow. Oh, he's pretty cool looking. Not like Guardians of the Galaxy Stan Lee though, right? So my hand back in here. Where's the one with the protector? Right there. So let me see what the front is on this one. What do we get? Spy Drew from Despicable Me 3. Oh, the Chase version. Wow, nice, nice. I didn't even see that till just now. We got us a Chase, everybody. I think I paid $14.99 a piece. $14.99 a piece for these. So hopefully we got back our value or we made more money. I got one in the protector here, so let's see what we got. I don't know which way this is going to come out, so. Oh wow, we got a Mega Man Magnet Missile Chase, only Target exclusive. 2 chases in a row. Box looks minty. The protector I might need to change a little. Has a little bit of scratches on it. Mega Man Magnet Missile. So let's look all 4 of these up real quick and see how we did. Move this box out of the way. Open up the Funko app here. See what the PPG is going for. Or I'll do it on the Whatnot app right now too. We can do that. Scan the barcode on the, we'll do the Magnet Mega Man Chase. Here, upside down. Could not find any product from the barcode. Okay, we'll try Funko then. Open this up and scan the barcode out. Scan products. Maybe we can get it to pop up on the Funko app. And so I tried the Whatnot app and it just didn't work. That one's not scanned. Let me try the Spy Drew Chase. He retails at $9. So we lost money there. That scanned that quick. I don't know what's wrong with this one. Gonna try and scan this Mega Missile again. Magnet Missile. Mega Man, sorry. Don't want to pop up. Let's try the green arrow. See how much we got on this one. The green arrow trending value is $21. Not bad. Got a little money back on that one. Well, now we're exactly at even. $14.99 a box. So we got the green arrow at 21. Spy Drew at 9. We're gonna scan the Stan Lee now. The Guardians of the Galaxy. Stan Lee is going for $13 PPG value. I'm just going to look up eBay sold now listings for the Magnet Missile because I can't seem to find the Magnet Missile Mega Man 8-bit won't scan on either one, so we'll just look up some eBay bought now listings. Okay, so let's do the filter here. We'll go to sold. Sold items. Show 20 videos. Shows here that this chase sells all the way from 26 to 31. So we'll just go 29 on it. Just go 29 on it. Which brings the total to calculator somewhere. 9 plus 21 plus 13 plus 29. Well, I paid, we got back $72 on a $60 mystery box. So we came out with $12, so that's still pretty positive. It might discourage anyway. That's the way I don't really get discouraged, and I'm very positive. I don't really get too down about nothing. But we made $12, minus shipping or whatever. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And my Instagram is down below. My Patreon. Any ways you want to get a hold of me to buy anything you see, let me know. And I'll catch you later.